Hi guys, welcome to Focus on Android YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to customize Google Search widget. Here there are two ways to get to the custom widget. For a quick way, you can tap and hold on the Google Search widget until it appears like this and tap settings. For a second method, you can open the Google application and tap the profile logo in the upper right corner, then tap settings, then tap customize search widget. So here you can change the theme of the widget starting from the automatic theme based on the system, the light theme, dark theme, and based on device, or you can customize the color as you wish. And also we can set the transparency. Next, you can choose to add a shortcut to this widget. Here there are several options such as translate, song search, weather, camera translate, and more. If you have done it, you just need to press back and setting will be saved. Okay, I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.